In MPP school, Kodavallur, Harjanwada, Kodavallur Mandal, Nellore district, enrollment drive was conducted for the academic year 2024 and 25. Last year we have 21 students. Now we want to improve our enrollment rate. So we conducted a meeting and a committee was formed for enrollment drive. All the members involved very actively and the enrollment rate increased rapidly. For that, we conducted rallies, door-to-door campaign, WhatsApp group, and information school activities sent to the parents. And finally, we improved our enrollment rate from 21 students to 27 students. It's a great improvement and great achievement for our school. As our school has only 1 and 2 classes, we are very happy with this increasement of enrollment. And at the first day itself, we distributed pictorial dictionaries to all the newly admitted students. Thank you to the parents, community members, Anganwadi workers, and all the youth in the Kodavallur Mandal, Kodavallur Harjanwada.